Today we're here with Green & Growth, just having a look around Riverwalk School, just having a general tidy up before the kids get back after summer holidays.
This school is unique in the sense that it has more of a holistic approach, basically a stronger connection with nature.
We've got some currants, we've got black currants, lots of strawberries underneath, a couple of gooseberries down here, and then we've got some summer raspberries in here, again underplanted with strawberries as well. This is a weed, fat hen. You can actually use the seeds, you cook it like quinoa. We're just tying the willow back, and we continue to grow around here and stay quite green low down. We do archways as well, so this is quite nice for the kids to go through. Each one of these branches, this is a year's growth, usually 2 years. We push that into the ground about 6 inches, and that's the start of this growing. Each one of these classrooms has a different animal. This one here is orcas, so this is a big lump of yew. Nasturtiums. These are edible. I'll let you pick yours. Edible flowers, edible leaves. Very delicious. Quite peppery. Quite sweet to start off with, and then comes quite a fiery, peppery flavour. This is an owl box, a tawny owl box. Tawny owls like to land before they go in, so they'll land at the side and hop across. Green & Growth made these. This is for a little owl. You see the door, the access door in there, so you can get in there to clean them out. So we're going to thin the apples out. These branches are quite heavy. Any of the smaller apples you can take off. This will allow the bigger ones to actually get to a size you want.